In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over this Home Armor outdoor cleaner. Basically, it's the mold armor. It's under different names. It's under mold armor and home armor, and it's a house cleaner. And this actually is great for mildew, mold, algae, dirt, grime, remove stains from siding and things like that. And I know you're asking, what are you talking about? Well, this is what I'm talking about. You guys see how moisture has built this up, and notice when I rub it right here, I don't get any of that off of there. Well, this right here will actually neutralize this. All you do is screw the water hose into the back, and then you turn it on. Customize your clean, you'll turn it on. So on the top of this thing, you got clean, rinse, and off. And all this is a little slider right there. This stuff works extremely well, by the way. And you know what? According to them, visible results in seconds. And looking over the back here, when to use, Clean Plus is can get you up to 1,200 square feet, brick, concrete, and wood, which is this like brick right here. And then Clean is going to get you 3,000. And what they mean is, it depends on, that just depends on how much product you're going to get out when you turn that switch. Composite decks, garage doors, siding, plastic furniture, and gutters. Well, that's what I have. I have siding right here, and you can see there's some algae buildup on it. So let's go ahead, let's hook this thing up. You can see right here, make sure it's turned off, screw your water hose in, rinse, and then clean, and then rinse, and you're done. So let's go ahead, let's screw this in, and let's get to washing. We're just gonna screw this on, and once you get that nice and tight, you're good to go ahead and turn on the water. I've got a couple of different hoses here. Now this should just, in theory, start working. There's some different types of nozzles on the inside of there. I'm not gonna show it, but let's go ahead, let's do the rinse. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show y'all this one area right here. Now I've rinsed it, let's go to the clean. So now I'm gonna turn it off. You know what? This thing works great. Look how dry this thing is, by the way. There's no water spraying everywhere, anywhere. Let's give that about 5 minutes. We'll come back, we'll wash it. I'll do the rinse cycle on it, and then we'll see what the final result is. So let's give it 5 minutes right now. Okay, so it's been about 2 minutes, and check this out. Now, I just showed y'all how this looked. It's still in the kind of soapy phase. It's basically just running this off. This saves a lot of time from pressure washing and doing all that. I think it's super easy to apply this stuff because you just spray it on. And let me try to show you all the way up there. Look how nice that siding looks. Now I'm gonna go through and do the rinse cycle. Then we'll see what the finished result is, because I can't even see where we had it before. Okay, now I'm just gonna go through and do the final rinse. This is what it said to do, to rinse it off. Everybody, I am very impressed with this stuff. Check this out. Okay, let's let the mist go down just a little bit. Look at this. There is no mildew left on this siding at all. I went ahead and hit some of the gutters up there. I'll do that after I turn off the camera, but all of this looks really good. I just wanted to show you how well it works on siding. I'm a believer in this mold armor, home armor, whatever name it wants to go by, but I am very impressed with this outdoor cleaner. There it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Home Armor, mold armor, outdoor cleaner. See y'all in the next video. Woo!